Hey, what's up YouTube? You're at the We All Juggle Knives channel. Welcome to my review of this light, the Thrunite TT20. This is their latest tactical light. It's got a lit side switch. It has a tail switch, some texture for grip, has a removable pocket clip there. It also comes with this lanyard. It looks like it has a tail switch cover as well, a spare one. And it comes with a belt pouch, right, with the belt loop, the Velcro. It also comes with this recharging cable, and it also comes with a very high quality battery to get at it. Unscrew the tail cap. Right, so this is their 21700 very high capacity battery, and that's included with the light. In order to recharge that battery and the light, just connect the charging cable to any USB power source. Now this has Type-C rapid recharging, which is great, and you see that's the charging port right there. Now when it is recharging, that will glow red. Right, that's actually, you see, it's red, trust me. But when it's fully charged, that will glow blue. And here are the stats on the light. So as you can see, maximum lumens 2526, and it has a special mode which is strobe. It's got firefly. The max beam distance is 258 meters, and you can see the run times there as well for each mode. Operation of the light: to turn it on, press the side switch. To turn it off, press the side switch. All right, now once it is on, if you press and hold, it will glow, it will go dimmer. All right, that's the low. Press and hold again, and it will grow brighter until it flashes. Now shortcut to turbo is a double tap. All right, so boom, that's a turbo. Wow, it's crazy. There's also a shortcut to the ultra low mode, which when it is off, just press and hold. And that is the ultra low mode. And from there, if you press and hold again, that is the lockout. All right, so it is now locked out. All right, to get it back, press and hold again, and you got the ultra low mode again. There you go. Now to shortcut to strobe, you triple tap. All right, warning, we're going to strobe. And that's a strobe. Now it also has a tail switch, and it has momentary on with the tail switch. So if I half press, and that's turbo, it's always turbo with the tail switch. So we got momentary on, or if I just press it all the way, it just goes right to turbo. Now this light can tail stand. It's got those wings, which is also, it's got lanyard slots in those wings, but it can tail stand. It's also got like flat parts here that are basically anti-roll. So you can put it on, like, you know, the hood of a vehicle, and within reason it's not going to roll on you. It's got some crenellations here, which could be an impact device, but they're not very sharp. But it's also for, if this is on and you have it down like that, you can see the light coming out. So you can tell if it's on if you were to set it down like that. All right, YouTube, so I've already tested out this light. Let me roll in the outside demonstration footage, and then we'll come back for final thoughts on this light. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out here on the old testing board with this Thrunite flashlight. All right, let's increase the brightness. Wow. And let's decrease the brightness. All right, that is the low. All right, let's triple tap for the strobe. Warning, strobe. Wow, very disorienting. All right, and let's do the ultra low mode. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the ultra low mode. All right, let's go back to turbo. Wow, that's crazy. Definitely can illuminate everything you need to illuminate and blind any potential threats. All right, YouTube, we're on the road with this Thrunite light. Let's ramp it down and then ramp it up. Let's see what we can see. Wow, okay. Yeah, this is the road with no street lights and no houses as well. It's over here. All right, well, it definitely lights up the road. Let's go check out the creek. It's over that way. Okay, YouTube, here we are overlooking Frog Creek. Let's do turbo with the double tap. Wow, so that's lighting up everything. Yeah, excellent. Lighting up the whole scene. It's pretty bright down there. I'm on the banks of the creek up here. Yeah, I've definitely seen raccoons around here crossing the creek, trying to find food in the creek. Yeah, this reaches the treetops, down the creek. You can see that lit side switch as well. All right, well, this is an excellent job. Okay, YouTube, here's a top view of the beam shot of this Thrunite. Wow, that's just a river of light now, isn't it? Get behind it. Wow, I mean, just like, yeah, just lighting up the runway there. This old country road, actually. YouTube, here's a little footage of this Thrunite light overlooking a lake. Interesting. Now there is like a street light over there, so without light, this is what you see. Still not much, even with the street light, but. All right, let's go turbo again. Wow. Oh, this is a pretty awesome light. Look how it cuts through. All right, so this is the Thrunite at the lake. Okay, YouTube, we're at the sports field. Let's see if this can cross the field. Wow, it does. You can see that. Yeah, I'm peering through the viewfinder. Hope it stays focused. Yeah, you can see that clearly. The other goal is right here. Wow. Yeah, this is easily crossing the field. That is some good performance and some very decent range from this tactical light. All right, well, that's it on the field. I do have another Thrunite here with me as my backup. You want to see this? So this is a TN40. Remember this? Remember this light? This is a beast. You know, this is 4 batteries instead of 1, but remember this light? This is a beast, this TN40. I brought this just for fun. Yeah, I know, I have a strange idea of fun. Let's go turbo. Boom. Wow. Yeah, of course, this is a very big light, but yeah, this TN40 just kills this. Just kills this test. Check out my old review of that. That's why I like Thrunite. They don't mess around. All right, YouTube, we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. So what are my final thoughts about this light? Well, I just checked the price today, and it was going for about $70 on Amazon. They also have a red one as well. I will include links if you want to pick one up or you just want to read the stats and so forth. All right, and this also could go on sale. They were telling me there might be some sale. So if there is one, that would be in the text description box or discounts and whatnot. Check out the text description box for additional information. That 21700 battery, that's the hot new size of battery nowadays because it has the capacity of the old 26650s, but it's definitely more compact and therefore, well, the diameter is less, I should say. Let's be more specific, right? So this is a lot more pocketable, definitely. Now, I like the interface on this because basically the tail switch, that's like your emergency switch. Goes right to turbo. You got momentary on or, you know, just click it for constant on. in turbo. That's for potentially dangerous situations where you want to blind whatever's coming at you and you want to see them clearly, right? So that tail switch being the emergency turbo, that's a good idea if you're going to sell this as a tactical light, which they do. That's a good idea. So I do like that tail switch. And it's good that this has, not only can you recharge the battery in the light, which is good because that size battery does not fit in my old universal charger, but you can just recharge this in the light, so that's good. But also, it has rapid recharging. Finally, more and more lights are going to have that nowadays, but much faster recharging than the older lights. Really, the only drawback to this is that it gets hot. If you have this in turbo mode, yeah, it'll get hot quickly because that's just the nature of the beast. But if you've never had one of these lights, I want you to know this thing gets hot in turbo mode. Usually you won't need the turbo mode for more than 30 seconds anyway, but yeah. Alright, so final conclusion, it's a good offering in its category. Alright, it's not exactly a budget light, but compared to the O-lights that I own, it actually is a budget light compared to those, right? So I guess it's a mid-range tactical light that takes advantage of that new to most people, size of lithium-ion battery. Alright, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the text description box for all sorts of goodies. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.